To add a collaborator, which is also referred to as another editor, select the three drop-down dots in the far right-hand corner and select Add Collaborators. In the box, write your collaborator's email address and press Send. I'm just going to press Cancel and done. To send the form, click the Send button in the far right-hand corner. Now you can send the form via email address, or you can send the form as a URL address that can either be in another Google application. You can also shorten the URL address, or you can usually use the embed HTML unless you're using file upload questions, which of course we are because we're using it as an assignment.